Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog here, and today we are going to go for a hike with a couple of my friends, and there's one there.
Oh, my name is Chris. My name is Chris. My name is Jeff.
Go this way. Right now we're going to meet another friend. We're gonna go there, right?
Yeah.
So right now we have our last contendant.
Hello.
Cynthia.
Contendant? What are we doing? Game of Thrones? Like Hunger Games? What is happening?
It's the Hunger Games.
Alright, seriously, I can't figure out what the... Oh, you know what? The lens cap is on.
Dude,
I'm a fool.
retarded.
I am a fool.
I was waiting for you to take that.
I'm a fool. It's already happening. It's already happening. We're out here. Paul, what's up?
Trying to open or turn on the... Oh, not Paul. Chris.
Don't put this on me.
Introduce yourself. We're out here. We're doing it. We're doing it big. Where are we going?
We're going to Eaton Canyon.
Eaton Canyon. Have you been to Eaton Canyon, sir?
No, I have not.
Oh my goodness.
No one really knows what's about to happen, but it should be crazy.
And then we're gonna get up there.
Water bottle in your backpack or leave it at home?
I don't know if it wasn't. Dude, this thing is crazy. You can, like, put it, like,
We're so excited.
before I do that.
Where'd you go? All right, let's go. Let's go.
Hi, Darren's viewers.
Subscribe to Cynthia, link down in
I
the
don't have a
description.
channel.
So how's this adventure going?
Pretty good.
Pretty fun?
First time here, pretty fun.
It's not first time hiking, right?
No.
Okay.
I'm not that antisocial.
So where are we heading next?
Tacos! I know I'm hungry.
Cynthia?
I'm down for anything.
That response infuriates me.
I hate those response.
Just tell me what you want!
And then when we pick something and they're like, nah, I don't want that.
Nah, you know I'm chilling. Right?
Nah.
No, I don't feel like eating that. Well then, you're not eating today.
If you want to get sushi, stop.
Oh, you see the foliage?
I was gonna say pho.
I'm down for pho.
You down for pho?
I'm down.
I'm down.
For pho?
Let's do it.
So,
We're flying a drone. We're flying a drone down this,
Beautiful.
down this beautiful palm tree decorated street.
We're crazy.
Do it for the vlog, Darren.
Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Down the palm tree. Get some B-roll of like.
I really want to drive down the street.
Do it.
Camera?
I'm pretty down, dude.
With the drone following us? Shit.
Oh my god, we have the follow-up. Dude, if you have follow-up, all we have already, all the shots done. Bro, just think about it. Darren, think about this. Literally think about it. No, seriously, we could have actually all of it done in one go.
Alright, we just flew over palm trees. What's next?
The truck.
Fly over Saigon.
Saigon,
Truck
right?
idea.
The truck?
They want to do the follow me mode while I'm driving the truck.
So we can sit in the bed of this car and have this beautiful palm tree thing as we drive down.
then I pull out the ski. Put them face on the white tee, that's what a nigga get being P.I.E. Nigga, you D.I.E. Sleep, motherfucker, that's 6 feet.
Like, honestly, Darren, it's a good idea, dude. It's a good idea.
It's a good idea.
Go. We're here.
By magic.
17.
38.
17, 38.
Hey,
I'm like,
it's a fellow.
is Paul gonna get 21? Savage.
I was just like 21. Let's.
All my friends have work. I'm all alone eating now. Oh, there's Paul. I was just saying, all my friends are not here.
All my friends are here, take it slow.
After a long day, we have fun. Fun.
Fun.